a dream in his head. Now 308 mil strong, breaking the bread. Mr. Beast, yeah, the king of the scene. Every YouTuber's dream, living life like a meme. From giving away cash to crazy stunts, building empires while others front. Everyone wanna be like him, no doubt, but they don't see the grind or hustle the route. Wanna be like Mr. Beast, gotta put in the time. Climb that ladder, dollar and a dime. Every view, every click, every share, blood, sweat, tears, man, it ain't fair. From the bottom, now he's here. Years of hard work, every single tear. Challenges, obstacles, yeah, they're real. But Mr. Beast showed the world how to feel. Big dreams, big goals, making them true. Invested in his craft, every dollar he knew. Long nights, no sleep, endless grind. Now he's the one, the top of the line. Wanna be like Mr. Beast, gotta put in the time. Climb that ladder, dollar and a dime. Every view, every click, every share. Blood, sweat, tears, man, it ain't fair. YouTubers, keep your head up high. Dream big, shoot for the sky. Every challenge faced, every single fall. Mr. Beast showed us you can have it all. From a YouTube star to a world-renowned name, Mr. Beast and lights, playing the game. But remember the roots, the journey's so tough, making every milestone, never giving up. Millions follow, want the same fame, but behind the scenes it's a whole different game. Constantly lengthy, filled with strife. Mr. Beast made it, but it wasn't overnight. Wanna be like Mr. Beast, gotta put in the time. Climb that ladder, dollar and a dime. Every view, every click, every share. Blood, sweat, tears, man, it ain't fair. So keep pushing, keep grinding, don't stop. You can make it to reach the top. Mr. Beast paved the way, set the tone. Now it's your turn, make it known.